If you're creating videos within Facebook, you may want to look at the Creator Studio, and within that there's the sound collection. Basically a series of clips and effects that you could use copyright free with your videos. Here we go. So here I am on my business page, but if I search now for Creator Studio, and you'll see the Facebook shortcut there. Click on that. And I'm looking on the left hand side at Creative Tools and then Sound Collection. An ever-growing collection of clips. 7,303 tracks are found now. All sorts of music types you can choose from. Various moods you can choose. Brief clips of less than 30 seconds up to 2 minutes plus. And you can have male, female, female only. So a real wide variety depending on the sort of video content you're looking to produce. You've got two button options here. One is to download the track and the other is to play a short sample of it. As well as those tracks, you can see sound effects, like for example NASA sounds from space. And I can choose from categories here: user interface, industry, water and underwater, footsteps. So let's try alarms. Maybe you've got some safety videos you want to create. Little things like the timer bell. Just brief clips that you can add to your video. Now you do need the editing software. I use Screencast-O-Matic. You may have another one in mind, but as long as you can download those clips and upload them to your device, they are able to be added to any video content you produce. So do spend some time having a look through the sound collection. I'm sure there's something you could make use of. And that's it really from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.